Surrogacy is a reproductive arrangement between a woman, that is surrogate, and another woman that cannot conceive or carry a pregnancy. So a surrogate mother carries and delivers the baby for another woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. So it's like borrowing a womb for a woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. The baby is genetically yours, but the womb is borrowed with love. If you want to know more about surrogacy, keep following us. We will post all the queries about surrogacy.
General Secretary Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP uba piran tatyang. Ulapan pau bagasang kampat rai AA lakan ajing Kyrshan na Kyrtong ke UDP na kebentak election MP Shikulok Sabha kepada election shteng samai. Laban kedua hangnya pada kaliang ke UDP hak arpu prater ujemang arajar arpun rew kelapan mana ya ke Kyrtong jong Kyrtong joka uba VGK kenta ban mikmat ya kaseng na kebentak election. Kani kejing Shemrai marwe ke UDP ke lepenlong yang kerukam terekam hapok ke Regional Democratic Alliance banlong ke Artatian. Namar watlah kesenam arhajar arpusau ke HSPDP bak ke UDP ke trelang hapok ke RDA na kebentah banyakun yak election MP dan ke Basayu Kyrtong bayamon lang uba Robert June Karjaarin banyakun yang kenik election MP. Habakran halor kene kamat uba piren tatyang ulay itu bawa keseng kelai kenduk bonsin bagi UDP benekaran halor kene kam penban hadu mentah nakaliang HSPDP kampat shim ya kanu karai ulong bawa lagi don hapo kekenhon RDA penban nakaliang HSPDP ke sengobet bandang bishar benia bat pet sani bha ikarukom trekam baro ke beyadai bagi election ubaran tatyang ula pensisha bakam pat don kanu karai la keseng dan Kyrshan ne Kyrtong ke UDP mar bagajingkan penbet hapo keseng hibro kawai kadang ya cikmat.
For this matter, we have only met several times with the UDP, but we are yet to take a final call on this. No doubt, before we are part and parcel of the party, but as of now, the party feels it's better to go on details. I think reading this regarding the coming election, assembly election, is still under discussion within the party. I think my next thing will make brief discussion, with brief clarification regarding this matter. All the best.
So right now you don't support or you support also?
No, as of now I will not say whether we support or not. Next week we will give the clarification in this matter. Very clear clarification whether we will support or not. Next week will be clear.